I'm a Filipino boy from Prince of Philippines. I'm just only one man. I probably... Teka mo.
Kinakagat mo? Ay.
I'm a hip-hop artist in the rap country. You know what I mean? I'm a Filipino boy from Queens in the Philippines. I'm just only one man, and I probably am not the person that you think I am.
Wow, deep.
A fan once told me, I am the next Francis M. I will never try to build a shoe. I'm the first Noah Lazarus. Just like that. If I could pick the word up, put it in my bag like Atlas, I would drop just to keep my mind off the way. That's why I can't think straight this day. Burdens breaking me down, drama all around me, I'm drowning.
What?
Trying to swim against the current events of the beach back and forth. I'm new to the scene, but what we're fighting for, we cannot stop. Pinas mataas. They are all the same, no matter how much we claim. To be different, we feel the same thing. We are the change that we want to see. So if we don't change, it's gonna stay the same. We are all divided in 7,000 islands, different dialects, which understand.
What? Say what?
We are Christians, we are Muslims who don't trust in each other. We are brothers, we are sisters, we are fathers, we are mothers, we are fighters, we are dreamers. Just keep on living in it.